All right, P2146, the misfire. If you look at other videos, you might see like an ice pick trick or something like that. And they talk about how the fuel injection wiring goes from the fickum here underneath the alternator over to the driver's side of the engine, and to look for like some rubbing or something. So you'll probably want to look right here. This kind of rides right there, and you'll think, oh, I mean, it's rubbing right here. No. Okay. So on these Kodiak chassis, where you're going to want to look is right here, where the fuel injection glow plug harness goes up and over the motor. Right under here, I put some foam here to protect it. Unfortunately, I'm already all half put back together, but right underneath here, there's some sharp edges, just like, focus, just like right here. And then it'll cut through the loom, and then it'll cut through the wiring harness. I'll throw in a picture of the wire that I found. It was literally right here. So I taped it up, added a couple layers of fiberglass insulation, and then a little stick of foam. And yeah, that should fix her up. You have to take this whole madness out. Air cleaner's got to come out, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, P2146, short to ground in the fuel injection wiring harness. Look right here. All right, peace, guys.